Hey there, buddy. Stock Rock here. It is a green day in the market. Hey, nice to see some green finally. Jeez. But yeah, I know. Talk on my channel a lot about one of my favorite companies, Dutch Bros. They got destroyed yesterday in earnings, and it wasn't even a bad earnings. They had like 700 million in revenue. Like they did good. Like it was a good. But in this market, it's just like, geez, you miss anything. Like their EPS was supposed to be 1 cent, and it was like -2. But yeah, I mean, it got slaughtered. So what I did, I'm gonna just keep it real, man. I'm gonna always keep it real with y'all. I took the tax loss today. My average wasn't bad. I had like a $37 average, and I didn't have like a crazy amount in there. I just keep, adding a couple shares here and there. But I took the tax loss this morning, and because I just figure it's gonna take a little time to recover. So you know what? I'll wait my 32 days, reevaluate, and get back into play probably. But what I did was sold my Dutch Bros at a loss, took that, and then I know I put into another one of my high growth plays, which is Lucid, because I mean they had a good earnings recently. The Europe expansion they just announced. I saw early this morning that Citigroup added 102% to their position, and at 13, I mean, when I bought it this morning. I bought it right at open, pretty much 13.50. I was like, man, I mean, yeah, there could be more downside. Who knows in this market? But geez, I loved it at 20. I loved it at 22. I really love it at 13. I've seen what it could do, and I know what it can do in the future. They have the tech, they have the range, they have Saudi backing, expansion of their factories, beautiful vehicle, more trend car of the year, et cetera, et cetera. So I dumped it all on a Lucid at 13.50 this morning, and hey, I had a nice run on Lucid today. It's up about 10%, which is great to finally get some of that back, and hopefully turn this around a little bit. It's you don't know in this market. So what I'm just doing is going to my highest convictions. With Dutch Bros, it is a high conviction for me, and I could have bought more this morning. But to me, seeing Lucid in the 13s, the better option was just take my tax loss on Dutch Bros, dump it into Lucid, reevaluate in 32 days. Lucid just had their earnings, so there's no real big down catalyst for it. Especially with Citigroup announcing they increased their position by 102%, and I think decreased their puts or something like that by 78%, something like that. But I just, I feel really bullish about it. So I wanted to just build up that position even more at 13.50, get my cost average down. My cost average is low; it's in the 17.10, but so yeah, I wanted to get my cost average down on that a little bit, and yeah, man, I feel great about it. A nice pop today. These companies are going to come back. And it might not be tomorrow, but tomorrow might be down another 10%. But I feel good about it buying at that price, so I did. And like I said, with Dutch Bros, it's a great company, man. It's an awesome company, and it's going to be around for a long time. And they're growing at a tremendous rate. And I'll reevaluate in 32 days. So just take the tax loss on it. I've taken some gains earlier this year, so I need to offset that a little bit. But yeah, besides that, man, just like I said, keep your head up, keep the vision. I know these days are hard. What I'm doing is just nibbling, man, adding to my favorite positions, at these prices, just nibbling, keep building up the position. Today I got a little lucky, because I dumped everything I have from Dutch Bros into Lucid this morning at 13.50, and it's in the 15s right now, which is great. But like I said, the market could take a downturn tomorrow and be right back in the 13s, but I felt good at that price. So just feel good about your prices, feel good about the companies you're in, and build those positions little by little, dollar cost average. So everybody, keep your head up, man. Keep the vision. Remember, we're long-term investing. That's what I preach. And when you're a long-term investor, these don't stress you out as much, because my vision wasn't 1 year. My vision wasn't 2 years. My vision is 20, 30, and etc. for that financial freedom. So everybody have a great day. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will catch up with you guys later.